ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to WELDFAB Tech Awards 2022.
A wholehearted welcome to all of you. I also want to thank our guest of honor for today, Dr. Shailendra V. Gade, Outstanding Scientist, Director General, Armament and Combat Engineering Systems, Pune.
Namaskar. My best wishes to all the people who are present here in the WELDFAB Tech Awards function. I firstly appreciate and congratulate WeldFab Tech Times magazine and the people behind it.
We are not actually doing the welding, but we are training the people and simulating that system. So without carrying out the welding, we are able to get that effect. That is one of the biggest thing of the modern technology.
I would like to say with pleasure that the fiber laser welding technology was introduced by Meta CAD/CAM system before around 4 to 5 years. And these days, fiber laser welding technology is becoming the integral part of many industries.
We are the first in the world who launched first crash simulation in the world in 1973. So almost 50 years down the line, we are there in the market with this crash test simulations.
Powered by partner, this is Watch Welding Products Private Limited. We have a small video. So we have some interesting insight from DNH Sacred Electrodes Private Limited.
Because we're going to have the 5th anniversary celebration of this lovely magazine, that is WeldFab Tech Magazine. Wonderful. Now the time has come. WELDFAB Tech Awards.
It is considered as the IFA of welding industry.
The Lifetime Achievement Award. And I would request Mr. PV Venkit Krishnan to kindly come on the stage as well. He is a retired distinguished scientist.
Wholeheartedly, I really want to thank everybody.
In today's event, some innovations in the welding, the new technologies that being developed.
It's been a fantastic evening. I've just arrived into India a couple of days ago. My first business trip here. It's been a really good night, and I'm really looking forward to Gulco winning an award next year.
I wish that you keep doing this kind of event, such that the awareness can be created more and more about the latest technology.
We are very thankful for WeldFab Times, and I'm extremely happy such category is existing like industry best welding training provider.
It's a feel excited, and special thanks to WeldFab Tech Magazine.
Thank you for WeldFab Tech for giving this opportunity and giving me this stage where I can say that every woman can do this, and I want to tell the young generation that welding is not limited to men, and please come and enter this field so that we can have a group photo on this award night for next few years.